Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all remember me. If you don't, then this is Chitranka, is channel ki host, and yeah, that's about the intro. I know it's been really long since I'm away from this platform, and I don't know, and literally I've lost count. I'm being honest here. When I'm shooting this video, right, it feels so weird talking in front of the camera and speaking to you all because I feel like I'm doing it for the first time. But no, yeah, I have done it, and I don't know, it's just a feeling. You get mixed feelings sometimes because you are away from this platform and now I'm back here. I don't know, I have this feeling of how you all will take these videos from now on that I'll be posting. But anyways, I just wanted to say thank you, and I'm grateful for each and every one of you for sticking around. I thought I'll lose all the people I have here on this platform on this channel if I come back, but no, you guys are so sweet for just sticking by and just trusting on this channel and on me. Yeah. No excuses. I know I come back every time with this thing or the other, but yeah, literally I felt like I should take a break, if that counts, because things were just not occurring in the right place. So yeah, I just and I was just busy in other things, my Instagram and other, like my studies and my health wise also. I just thought I should take a break, and now I feel like I'm ready to be back, 2.0 version, if that counts. Yeah, I'm literally very filmy AF girl. So yeah, please ignore that stuff. I pray to the universe, I pray to God to please give me that power to be consistent on YouTube for posting videos that I love. And from now on, I'm thinking to take YouTube seriously because when I started also, I just started it out of my passion, just I love talking and sharing. I've always told that. So yeah, why not grab that opportunity and speak to you all about things that I love, about things that people want me to, on Instagram as well. If you don't follow me on Instagram, yeah, plugging in. But if you don't follow me on Instagram, please do that. Link description mein hai. I want to be consistent from now on. I hope that I do, because I also missed being here on this platform, speaking in front of the camera, and just sharing my views or opinions or just talking to you guys. It feels so nice being back here after an eternity. So yeah, and what else? And also I'll be posting videos on, like, I have been getting a lot of questions regarding my flat lays photography, product photography, and everything related to it. So I'll be starting something called Flat Lays 101, where I'll be speaking in detail about what flat lay is, how you can achieve it, how, if you want to also start photography in that field, how you can achieve that as well. So I'll be speaking all about that in the coming videos, and also I'll be speaking about things that need to be addressed, topics that need to be addressed. So I'll be just sharing, and होता है ना, we talk to our friends, we talk to our families. So yeah, you all are my family, so I'll be talking here about those topics as well, sharing each and every uh, moment. And I am doing YouTube for everyone who is thinking, she's just coming and then going and then coming back and then again disappearing. Then why is she even doing it? It's just that things don't go every time as the way you think them to be. So yeah, just I was just figuring out some parts of my life, and then now I am back here. I'll try as much as possible to be consistent. Oh my god! And I hope you all will be showering as the same love that you have been always. You all deserve to know what has been occurring in my life since I disappeared from here. So yeah, I just thought to let's do a catch-up video where I'll update you what has been going on in my life till now. So yeah, that's about it. That's all I wanted to say. So I'll be coming up with very new and fresh videos and all that I was planning to do for a long time now. and I hope you all will shower us the same love that you do. Thank you to all of you for sticking by, and this has been the greatest motivation for me to be back here. And I love you guys so much. See you in the next video. Till then, take good care of yourselves. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel because that's my only motivation, and hit the bell icon so that you get notified for the upcoming videos on my channel. And I promise I'll stay consistent from now on. Thank you all. I'll see you soon. Bye.